Yes guys, this is our side view. You can see it's look very beautiful. This is columns and shooting stills on some location on the first floor, and we started side walls now. The masons are working on it. Approximately 2 days it will be finished. So according to our landlord, they are saying that we will fix mirror or something else on the columns, which looks beautiful. So it is our third floor now and work is going on. So shuttering work is started now. Team is working on it. After that, electrical work will be start. So you can check. It's almost done now. So anyhow, they will fix more support from the downside. So it will cover the area, because lot of burden coming on the shuttering, so shuttering should be strong.